Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday, led by shares in banks, consumer durables and apparel, and the insurance sectors. On the economic docket, meanwhile, GDP growing at an annualized rate of 1.1% in the first quarter in a third estimate, while personal consumption that decreased slightly to 1.5% in the first quarter, and the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index that jumped to 98 in June. Advancers ahead of decliners, 93% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Nike posting fourth quarter EPS unchanged at 49 cents on sales of $8.24 billion. Royal Caribbean Cruises announcing the signing of an agreement with Miami-Dade County to construct and operate a new cruise terminal in Port Miami, while Oracle upgraded to neutral from underweight over at JP Morgan. Turning focus overseas, Asian markets positive once again. The Nikkei up just a little more than 1.5%. The Hang Seng up 1.31%. China's CSI 300 that keeps rising just about 0.5%, and South Korea's Kospi up 1.04%. European markets, they are rebounding, and U.S. futures calling for a soft opening. In terms of expectations today, Monsanto third quarter EPS seen at $2.42, while General Mills fourth quarter EPS seen at 60 cents, and Equity Brands third quarter EPS seen at $2.03 on sales of approximately $850 million. Moving on to the economic front, that is 8:30 in the morning, sees May personal income and personal spending, while we also see PCE core month over month. Later on, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have May pending home sales figures, and that's expected at negative 1.1%. Turning attention over to the markets, Trading Central analysts sees the S&P as a continuation of a rebound. Now, the relative strength index calling for a rebound, so long positions above 2003 are favored, with targets at 2040 and 2065 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq also seeing a continuation of the rebound, preferring long positions above 4,213, and the Dow Jones also in a continuation of a rebound, featuring long positions above 17,140.